Alright, so we just gonna get into this quick video. Mind you, I am definitely backed up on my unboxings. I know I've been on the go doing other things, but yeah, so the reason I wasn't able to post this unboxing was because the place that I ordered these sneakers from, they took so long to deliver. Like, I probably will never order from them again because I don't see why I should be waiting damn near 2 weeks for delivery. Usually a lot of sites, they take 1 week, but whatever. This is last year's pickup, so this isn't even my first new year pickup. Okay, it's a pair of Boost 350s. Here's a tag. As always, I have to get my Boost 350s in a size 7 because these run extra small. Here's a tag. I haven't opened them. I just took them out the box. I haven't, looked at them or anything. I'm just gonna take out one, get rid of the box. So here they are. Brand spanking new out of the box, frozen yellows. I'm sure by now you guys probably saw 10,000 videos on these same sneakers because they were released before, then they came out with the re-release in December and everybody got their videos out and I'm late, but whatever. These were one of my top 3 Yeezys, like one of my top 3 Yeezys out of the 350 colorways that I wanted. I will have to say I want the original belugas, the zebras that I already have, and I wanted the frozen yellows. So I basically got the top 3 Yeezys. Oh, I want the turtle doves too, but I'm not paying that resale. But yeah, this is what the frozen yellows look like. It's these are so poppin'. What drew me to these sneakers was the contrast. It's the frozen yellow uppers and then they have the gum bottoms. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just love the way these look. Like, these are dope. So here we go. These are in the grade school size. Well, technically, yeah, these are in the grade school size 7. Brand spanking new out the box. Here they are. Love these. I freaking love these. Can't wait to slide these babies on, and I will definitely be having an on foot of these coming shortly, so give me a minute. Okay, I gotta get back in the swing of things, but the on foot for these are coming up shortly. It's not too much to talk about. Here they are. Amazing. But yeah, this is my unboxing of the Yeezy frozen yellows. Love these. I can't wait to slip these on. But yeah, as I said before, thank you guys for always rocking with me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date with all my unboxings. And